Good morning, evening, or afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and this is an update of the Hill project. So, as you can see, we are done with the second floor, which is the block work and the pillar casting. So, I just want to give you guys an update how far we are with this project, and also, to check it out and see the great job that the team has done. To put all of these things together, neat work, very beautiful work done. The level is Charlie. So you can take this as a motivation, to motivate you to also, start your project. If you're also halfway, just take your time, relax, and continue. Never give up on your project. You see a lot of projects also going on in the neighbor, so just keep up doing a good job, keep watching the videos. They motivate a lot. They also motivate me a lot. Sometimes I also give up on my own project, and then sometimes when I get these videos from them, I'm like, well, I also have to continue with my project. So that's why I want to share it with you guys to see how far we've come. When those days, I think last month, we were like excavating the place, doing all the iron works and stuff, and here we are. So we will be going for the decking, which is the next phase. Wow, that's a beautiful view, as you can see, and it's close to the seaside, Bojo Beach. Yeah, I think that is the name of the beach, and it has a lake, which joins to the beach. So it's a very beautiful view. So next we're gonna do the carpentry work for the decking, and then the steel benders will come back on site to come and do their thing again. You see the pillars shooting all the way up. This makes the decking way easier so that you can connect the iron rods to each other. Sometimes when people are building and they know they are going to the next floor, the iron rods are not that tall. Like as you see, these ones are projecting higher. So even if you put another floor on top, you will still see this iron rods coming up, and then you can join them with the next level. So as it stands now, we are going to do the estimate for the woodwork that we need. We also have some of the wood which we use for the foundation and also the pillar installation. They are still in good form, so we're gonna see how many we have, and then we top up with the rest. And the plan is to cast one side of the building, then we move to the other side, because this is a very huge building, so we cannot do one at the same time. We cannot do all at the same time. So that's the plan, and that's the way forward, also to reduce the cost. And we believe that the next, when we are done with the flooring, we're still going to use the wood to do the rest of the block laying again, because we still have to lay blocks, we still have to cast the pillars again. So yeah, so this is the view from the ground floor. You see how wide those windows are, you see how tall the ceiling height. I think it's 13 blocks high. So you see how high. It's a very spacious, it's going to be a very spacious apartment. Trust me, I think this is one of the biggest apartments I've ever seen. So yeah, let's see how it will go. That's the back side where you have the cantilever, and then the rest is on the, like I said, it is on the hill, so the ground was not on the same level. And one thing I do like about this apartment are the sizes of the windows. As I mentioned earlier on, they are so wide, so many windows with this project, even though it's going to cost the owner a lot of money to fix all those windows. And I'm not sure if he's going with burglar proofs also. That's going to be extra cost, but hey, if you have a beautiful view like this, you have to make good use of it, so that comes with a cost as well. So let's see how it goes. If you want to know more about this project, and also if you want to see how it will turn up after the decking, then kindly please do subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 6K. Let's get there by the end of August. I will really be happy if we could do that. And yes, share the videos as usual. Thanks to each and everyone who has been sharing my videos on WhatsApp, because I got the notification that a lot of people are sharing the videos on WhatsApp. I have no idea who these people are, but I'm very grateful to you guys. You can also share on all platforms, Facebook as well, and let's grow this family. A lot of people needs our help, and we are here to help. So if you need more details, or if you need an assistant with anything, just send me email. I'll forward you to the right people, and then you talk to them yourself and they can help you, trust me. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Like, do we?
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I be in my mind.